All right, good morning, good afternoon, or good evening. Justin Clark here. Going to take a look at these crazy crypto markets here this morning. I want to take a look at Bitcoin because for those who are new, Bitcoin is a big bully in these markets. And what that means is pretty much whatever happens with Bitcoin happens with the rest of the coins, the altcoins, but in a more dramatic fashion, usually. Like if Bitcoin moves 3% down, the altcoins might move 10% down. And we trade the altcoins with our system in iCoinPro. And so we want to know when Bitcoin could be moving more dynamically and affecting the altcoins and stuff like that. And in particular, try to stay ahead of when Bitcoin might want to dump or do something really dramatic. So with that said, I'm going to go ahead and share my screen here. But before I do that, if you'd like to just say hello, let me know who you are, what part of the world you're tuning in from, and let us know if you are seeing this live or on replay. And of course, if you want market analysis like this right to your inbox, give me a follow on Facebook or x.com or subscribe to our YouTube channel. All right. So let's take a look here. First thing, we're going to look at a chart set up this morning called the MA Momentum. It stands for Moving Average Momentum. If you are a member of iCoinPro, you can click on My iCoinPro Training and go to Micro Profit System Part 3, and you can do the training right there. It takes you about 40 minutes. You can do it at any point in your training that you're doing. Once you have done that training, you'll know everything about this chart and how it works. Now, I'm looking at the iCoinPro trading portal, and this is a software. It's a software that we developed basically from the ground up. We own all of this, and it helps us trade our strategy and find the trades in real time and pushes it all right to your smartphone, so you get them in real time. So with that said, I'm going to go ahead and load this MA Momentum chart layout. And let's talk about what this chart is here for those who are new. These red and green things are called candles. They show where the price is. Right now, we're looking at a one-day chart. So every one of these candles shows an entire day of trading. All right. These lines here, this purple, maroon, yellow, green, etc. These are called moving averages. And I'm not even going to get into how they're calculated. I'll just tell you how to use them. And then this shaded area is called a Bollinger Band. Okay. So the way that we use this chart is these moving averages, these lines. When the price action is primarily trading above all of these moving averages, in particular, trading above this light purple moving average, we're building up what's called bullish momentum. Okay. And we're potentially in a bull market and almost definitely not in a bear market when we have this set up on this chart. Now, on the flip side, if we are trading below all of these moving averages, and in particular getting stuck below this light purple moving average, then we are potentially bearish or building up bearish momentum and almost definitely not in a bull market. That's the flip side to it. So we have to reconquer all of these moving averages. We have to process out the sellers and the fear in order for it to move higher. So right now, where are we? We're looking pretty good overall. We look like we're continuing to trade above this light purple moving average. If we continue to do that, we could get another dramatic move up. The key levels to watch right now are 110,000 on the upside. On the downside, we've got to stay over 100,000. Okay. These are definitely the key levels, 99, 100K. If we lose 99, 100K or even put pressure on it, we could see some of the altcoins really slide a bit. Even putting pressure on this here, around 102,000 could cause some of the altcoins to panic a bit if we put pressure on this light purple moving average here. So, but definitely 110K, 100K, that's our range right now. That's what we're trading around. And we'll just have to see, what happens next. We could be going to Valhalla and higher, or this could be the peak. We just don't know. But overall, it looks pretty good. And we'll just have to see how the market wants to continue to trade here going into the weekend. All right, so that's the key levels to watch right there. Still potentially in a bullish market. So we'll just have to see what happens here. But again, that can change in a hurry. The trend can change at any point. And if we start to lose some of these moving averages, in particular, if we lose 89.90, we're in trouble, most likely. We have the potential for some bearish momentum coming in. And in that case, it would be, you know, a downtrend either for a little while or a total trend reversal. We'll just have to see. All right, now taking a look at longs and shorts. Longs are people betting Bitcoin's going up, usually with leverage. Shorts are people betting Bitcoin's going down, usually with leverage. Right now, we're just about dead even on longs and shorts. And these are riskier trading positions because when you use leverage, which a lot of these people do, means you're borrowing money, you're exaggerating your gains and your losses. And so you can get liquidated, you know, your position can get liquidated in a hurry. If you've ever heard of people losing everything trading, it's because they're using risky things like that. We don't teach that in iCoinPro. We teach you how to be as safe as possible. There's always risk in trading, even if you're super safe. But we teach you how to avoid the things that are really going to potentially mess you up. So right now, again, we're pretty much dead even. So business as usual, but again, we are up high. So, you know, we want to just continue to look for that roller coastering, noisy chart effect, meaning we want things to be going up and down really, really well when we trade them. So that is very, very important, okay, to us right now to know that it's safe. Here we get good, say we have good undulation, good up and down, cutting back through, you know, this is on Bitcoin itself. Now, I'm not going to trade Bitcoin because the actual movement is not very good. But it's, you know, it doesn't move a lot. Like this whole movement here is just 0.96%. That barely covers fees. Now, it covers the fees on higher tiers, but some of the coins it won't. But or some people won't. So now we have a coin like this. This has been a buddy coin. This one is moving 9% all the way up, you know, 14% on its move. So VVV is definitely a buddy coin right now. We've got XCN as well. XCN's even more preferable because of the fact that it has more volume. All right. So definitely XCN is on our buddy coin list, and our software finds these ones because this, for the dip trades, you're going to have a much higher potential profit than you would on Bitcoin. So here we go. Good morning, Mike. Richard, good morning. And yep, wishing everybody good morning. Let's see here. Yeah, exactly. Yeah, it is interesting. I know having obviously Trump in office and very pro crypto does throw something different into the game, which is kind of cool. All right, so yeah, so that's the two that we've got there. I think the third is probably Swift. This one, it just did some, oh my gosh, beautiful movement, and now we're up. Yeah, definitely Swift. So Swift now though it's going up. It's going to be, let's see if we're at the high. Yeah, we're pretty close to the previous high. So again, we got to be careful on these coins, everybody. We want to see really good movement like we see here, where, you know, the coin's going down and immediately buyers show up 4%, you know, buyers show up 5%, buyers show up 6%. You see what I'm saying? So we want to see really good undulation and movement. If it gets really quiet, just be careful. It could be getting ready to slide, you know, down. So you got to be cautious on that. All right. So definitely today, and let's see where XCN is overall. Yeah. I mean, all of these are really sky high, guys. At any point, any one of these could have a massive implosion. VVV is just been trading straight down, had a pretty big implosion there yesterday, but you just follow the system. That's how it works. So we just need to be cautious with those. But those are going to be my buddy coins. XCN, Swiftcoin, and VVV/USD. And of course, if the system finds other stuff, I'm going to be trading that. Hey, Pav, good to have you here. All right, well, awesome, everybody. That's all I've got this morning. Good luck out there today. Stay, safe and cautious. And again, I'm really focused on trading in and out. I'm not looking to, try to ride any of this at all. Good morning there. And yeah, because we want to get in and out and then see if the market gives us some more, because everything is so high up. So good morning, Ernie. All right, so that's all I've got, everybody. If you want market analysis like this right to your inbox pretty much on the daily, you can follow me on Facebook or x.com or subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you would like to learn how to trade, there's a free bootcamp you can do. It takes you about 40 minutes. All you need to do is get back with whoever introduced you to iCoinPro or shared this video with you. And they'll be more than happy to hook you up with that. You can also send an email to support@iCoinPro.com if you don't have somebody who referred you or you need some assistance to find who introduced you to iCoinPro. All right, everybody, take care. Have a wonderful day. And let's see what happens today in these crazy crypto markets. Bye-bye, everybody.